Let's solve this question. 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to x plus 1. So let's write solution to the question. We have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to x plus 1. Okay, so first thing that should come to our mind is how do we remove the index of 2, which is x minus 1, by dividing by x minus 1. So that's the only way. So if we want to do that, we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 times 1 over x minus 1 equals to x plus 1. Then the power also here 1 divided by x minus 1. So what do we do next here? This we cancel this. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 1 to be equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x minus 1. So we can interchange, nothing change. So whether x raised to the power of 1 equal to this or this is equal to x raised to the power of 1. So let's just interchange it. 1 plus x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 2. Our 2, we can write 2 in this form. Let's write our 2 in this form. 2 can be written as square root of 4, because square root of 4 will also give us 2. Okay, so we continue by saying x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 divided by x minus 1. So what do we write? Square root of 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, 12 root of 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, when you look at this pattern, the base here is 4, the base here is x plus 1. What can we do to make sure that this and this have the same pattern? What value will you add with 1 that will give you 4? That's 3. What value will you add with, will you subtract 1 from that will give you 2? That's also 3. So we can easily write this as x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x minus 1 to be, our 4 will now be 3 plus 1. 1 divided by our 2 here will also be 3 minus 1, because 3 minus 1 will also give us what? 2. Now, let's compare the base and let's compare the index. If you compare this base, okay, you have x plus 1 to be equal to what? 3 plus 1. That gives us x plus 1 to give us what? 4. Then we can subtract 1 from both sides here. X plus 1 minus 1 equal to 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 will divide each other. So we have 4 minus 1, that's 3. Now, if you now compare the index, we are going to have, if you are compare the index, we have 1 over x minus 1, which is equals to 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, we can cross multiply. If you do that, 1 times this, that's 3 minus 1 equals to 1 times this, that's x minus 1. 3 times minus 1, that's 2 to be equal to x minus 1. So we can add 1 to both sides. 2 plus 1 equal to x minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. So we have our 3 to be equals to x. So therefore, if you look at the first comparison, which is the base, it gives x to be 3. Then the index also gives x to be 3. Then if you are to even look at the question generally, comparison, so we can say x is 3, then x is also 3. Yeah. So therefore, our x is equal to what? 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.